Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Sahand, aka Foreign Mommy. Well, today's video is going to be on this look right here. I'm not really sure what it's going to be called right now. It should be in the title. This is just like amazing. Like, I love how this look turned out. Stay tuned and keep watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for me down below. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start off by doing is putting up my hair because I don't want any like setting spray or anything to get in it. As y'all can see, I have done my eyebrows already and they are looking a little harsh, but when I do my foundation, it should get better. Anyways, the first thing I'm going to do is use the what is it called? Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelid just so my eyeshadow comes out like really good. Usually I would use like concealer and stuff, but I actually bought some primer because I was just like, I want to see how primer works, you know. I used this primer one time. I kind of like it, but I kind of feel like there's like better primers out there. I'm not really sure, but I might just go buy another primer that's different because I really want something that's gonna prime and conceal, like kinda, because this is kind of like my skin color. It's kind of like clear. So I did forget one thing. I'm gonna be applying the Mario Badescu facial spray because, you know, I got like the sunburn and stuff. And just so my face is hydrated, I need to like put this on. I was in Ulta like 2 days ago and I have bought the Morphe palette. It's the Second Nature 3502, and I have no red pigments, so I decided to buy this because like I really wanted to use these right here, and they just have like some really pretty colors. Oh my god, my bad, it's reflecting. But yeah, this is like so pretty. It's like, I love Morphe now. Like, I bought some brushes along with it, but they still haven't came in the mail. I also bought the Jaclyn Hill palette because I have seen some of her tutorials and she is amazing. So I'm just gonna use her transition colors right here because the Second Nature palette does not have like light transition colors, and I am not going to use really dark colors right now. The first color I'm going to use is this white color right here. Bear with me guys, the struggle is real. I'm going to have to use this mirror right here. Okay, this is like white enough. I look like a ghost for real. I'm going to go in with this yellow for my transition color. The other one was not a transition color. It was really just to set my primer. So I'm just gonna go in real quick with this yellow. By the way guys, this is not my real voice. I'm just like, I lost my voice in Panama because I was having too much fun. I'm not gonna rush this eyeshadow look because I really want it to come out really pretty. And there's a certain way I want to do it. And I'm also gonna be adding a little glitter because I love glitter. There's no way I can never add glitter to my look. Bear Well, I'm done with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be going on to the Morphe right here. The first color I'm going to go in with is this orange, just to fade into the yellow. Now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires. Tonight, Elvis is dead, and everyone is spread, and love is a satire. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. I'm gonna just go in with my e.l.f. blending brush and just going with the yellow again. I'm gonna go in with this like little darker orange. It looks kind of like reddish orange. I'm gonna go in with that before I go in with this red, so it'll just like blend out perfectly. Gonna put on like a little harsh so I can go in with my blending brush and just blend it out. All right, so far so good. It is coming out how I want it to. And the next color I'm gonna go in with is this red. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. I'm going to go back in with my blending brush and make this non-harsh. I really want to know what y'all have done for your spring break, because I have been asking this to everyone because I don't know, mine was like really interesting. Like so much stuff happened. When I went there, I bought this like little souvenir, and it was so, it's like, it has sand in it, and then it has like a little shell inside of it too. It has a little fish, and you can see like the shells in it. It is so cute. I love it. I had to buy it because that was just a week to remember. I'm gonna continue my makeup, and the next color I'm gonna use is this red color. Y'all can't see, but it's kind of glittery. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger because I'm not really trying to use a brush for this. And it is more precise with my finger. When I went to Ulta, I also bought like a lot of glitter. I decided to buy red because I don't know why, but it's like my new favorite color. I just changed my bed sheets into like red and stuff. But this is like it's kind of pink, to be honest. It's not like too red, but it has like a little like hints of red in it, you know? So I'm not gonna apply too much of that. I'm just gonna like, get a super small brush. There's like a small end to it. Put some glue on it, and then just put it on the part that I put that glittery red on. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. I'm not doing too much glitter, so I'm not gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Let me just spread this little bit out everywhere. I am going to be applying my eyelashes now, and I'm going to be using the Kiss number 11s. Oh, you can't even see that. Alright, the Kiss number 11s. I have like one more left in the pack. I have to go buy some more. I might just fast forward or either just skip over my eyelashes, because honestly, if y'all want another video on how I do my eyelashes, just leave a comment down below.
3 hours later.
Before I do anything else with my eye, I'm going to do my foundation, contour, and everything else. But I'm also going to fast forward this part because, you know, I don't want this video to become too long. So if y'all need me to make a whole nother video about my foundation and stuff, just leave a comment down below. The next thing I'm going, ooh, look at the highlight. Ooh. The next thing I'm gonna do is apply eyeshadow under my lid, and I'm gonna do exactly how I blended the top part on the bottom part. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. Guys, I don't know if this is a problem to y'all, but it is for me, and I have like, my bottom lashes are like longer than my freaking top lashes. I don't know, I think that's how I see it. People say they're not, but I just see it like that, and I'm just like, whenever I put on mascara, my bottom lashes are so perfect. But the last thing I'm gonna do is put on my lipstick, and I also bought this along with the other eyeshadow palettes and glitter or whatever, and because everything was on sale. It's like the Ulta 23 Days of Beauty, I don't know what it was called, but they have like a lot of sales, so I was all like, they had some matte lipstick by Revolution. It's the Peach Charming. Hopefully I can figure it out before for my next video. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my tutorial on this look. Honestly, I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet, but it is so like pretty. As always, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, I want y'all to do one thing for me, and that is turn on my bell notifications, because I want y'all to know whenever I'm posting, even though it's mostly on the weekends.